Hi friends, I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Today I'm explaining some Christmas traditions in the United States, but I have a special focus for you on useful English phrases always. So you can use these phrases when talking about your traditions in your family or your culture. So this lesson is perfect if you're a beginner, but maybe more intermediate learner. So listen carefully. You can repeat after me. Let's get started. Now, before we talk about the Christmas traditions, let's learn three very common English sentence patterns. Pattern number one, we usually. We usually. You can use this to talk about something that is normal or typical, right? For example, we usually decorate the Christmas tree in December, or we usually spend Christmas with family. Pattern number two is many families. You could say many families, like it's something common in your culture or your country or your religion, right? You could use this when something is very common, but maybe not every person does it. For example, many families in America on Christmas Day exchange gifts, or many families eat Christmas dinner together. It's a normal, common tradition, but not everyone celebrates in that way. Now, pattern number three, a common tradition is. If you want to share one common tradition, a common tradition is. Use this to explain your culture clearly. For example, a common tradition is hanging stockings on the fireplace. Or another common tradition is baking and decorating Christmas cookies for Santa. These three patterns, they're very useful and you can use them to talk about any holiday in any country, in any culture. Now, let's talk a little bit about some American Christmas traditions. Let's start with stockings, right? If you watched my winter vocabulary video, you know what a stocking is. In the United States, stockings are long socks that people hang near the fireplace or on the wall if you don't have a fireplace or if you don't have a mantle, right? Maybe you just hang them on the wall. So we usually remember the patterns. We usually hang stockings before Christmas to decorate. Or many families put small gifts in stockings. Now, there is a Santa connection here. Children believe Santa Claus, he puts gifts in the stockings on Christmas Eve. Let's talk more about Santa. Now, maybe you have a Santa type tradition in your culture or in your country. Let's talk about Santa traditions in the United States. So, children believe that Santa visits every Christmas Eve night. So, the night of the 24th of December. And Santa brings gifts and he arrives while the children are sleeping. The children have to be in bed sleeping. And he flies from the North Pole with his sleigh and his reindeer with Rudolph, and he brings gifts, right, down the chimney into the living room with gifts for the stocking or gifts to put under the tree. So children believe that he visits that night. And a lot of children believe in Santa Claus. It's a very common tradition to believe in Santa when you're young. And it's also another common tradition to leave him cookies and milk. He loves cookies and he loves milk. And some people even leave something for the reindeer, like some carrots, some vegetables. And then children wake up so excited on Christmas morning, the morning of December 25th, to open their presents from their family and from Santa. So notice how I say Santa. It's not Santa, it's Santa. Santa. It's more flowy, right? So you can say Santa, but that sounds very formal. It's not common. In American English, we say Santa. Now, let's talk about Christmas Eve, the 24th, versus Christmas Day, the 25th. When do Americans celebrate? This is different in a lot of cultures. So, the 24th, Christmas Eve, or for my amigos Latinos, La Nochebuena, right? In English, we say Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Many families have a dinner together. Some even go to church for a Christmas Eve service. If you're a Christian, if you're Catholic, even a lot of religions have a Christmas Eve service, and it's usually very simple and with candles, like a candlelight service, and they sing songs and just a time to reflect on what they believe, that Jesus Christ was born on Christmas. So it's a reverent evening. That's a very formal word in English, a lot of reverence. People are a little bit serious just thinking about their beliefs, right? Something on Christmas Eve is that families will get together. Sometimes they'll stay up a little late, but kids tend to go to bed early, usually because they're waiting for Santa to come. Now, Christmas Day, December 25th, what do Americans do? They wake up and they open their gifts from their family or from Santa, and they usually have a big meal together, maybe like a brunch, breakfast, lunch mix. They open up their stockings. Family may come over to the house. For me, we would always wake up. We would open our gifts. We would read the story from the Bible of Jesus being born in the book of Luke. I grew up in a Christian household, so we have those traditions. And then we would have a huge brunch together, and my grandparents would come and see our gifts, or my aunt and uncles would come over, and my cousins, and we would spend time together on Christmas Day. We would stay in our pajamas, our Christmas pajamas, like all day long. So, Christmas Day for Americans is the big day. So, Christmas Eve is like a warm up, but Christmas Day is the big holiday for Americans in the US. So, what's up with all the gifts in America, right? Another big tradition is exchanging gifts. Now, gifts are wrapped before Christmas and put under the tree. For some families, they wait and they put the gifts under the tree on Christmas Eve. So, it depends on your family. And then people open the gifts together. Of course, they say thank you. And we usually exchange these gifts on Christmas Day. Maybe a few gifts on Christmas Eve, but the big day, remember, is Christmas Day to open the gifts. And a common tradition is to be excited to go shopping to buy gifts for all your friends and family to show them that you love them. Now, Americans love their food. What's up with the holiday food in the USA? It's very important during Christmas. Of course, we start with our big holiday, Thanksgiving. I have a video about that here if you want to watch about Thanksgiving traditions in the US. But at Christmas, we eat very similar foods. We'll have turkey or ham, mashed potatoes, stuffing or dressing. We'll have lots of different sides, right? Sweet potatoes, corn, all kinds of vegetables. We'll have Christmas cookies and hot chocolate or apple cider. Many families eat a big meal either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. And of course, I told you a common tradition is baking cookies and decorating cookies as a family and eating dinner together. Now, let me tell you about one more silly tradition in the US. It's called ugly sweater parties, ugly Christmas sweater parties. What is this? It's just a silly American tradition where people wear funny or even ugly, weird patterned Christmas sweaters, and they're very flashy. They're ugly, right? These parties are popular at workplaces or with friends, an ugly Christmas sweater party. So maybe they're ugly like fashion wise, but they're just meant to be fun. All right, that's enough about traditions in the US for Christmas. Christmas is in one week. I cannot believe it. I'm very excited to celebrate with my family, with my friends, open a few gifts, eat some yummy food, wear an ugly Christmas sweater, all the things. Now, if you understand these Christmas American traditions, I have a question for you. What Christmas or holiday tradition do you celebrate? Tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you. Please, I want to learn about new culture or a new religion or a new country, how you celebrate Christmas where you live and with your family. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend who's learning English and wants to learn all about Christmas in the United States. Now, I'll leave you with one more phrase. In the US, I'm talking about Christmas today because it's my family holiday. It's my personal holiday that I celebrate. But there are many more. People celebrate Kwanzaa, they celebrate Hanukkah. So a common phrase in the US is we don't say Merry Christmas to everyone because not everyone celebrates Christmas. So I will say Merry Christmas, or I may say Happy Holidays because that includes all of the holidays. Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, even New Year's. You can say Happy Holidays. I'll see you next time. Bye.